Good evening friends, this is my topic for barcode technology. These are the key points. What is barcode? Why we use barcodes? Barcode types, application of barcode, evaluation of barcode, barcode scanner, advantages and disadvantages. Next, what is barcode? It is an automatic identification technology. Barcode is predefined format of dark bars and white spaces structures to be contain a specific piece of information. It allows real-time data to be collected accurately and rapidly. Combination of barcode technology with computer and application software improves performance, productivity and profitability. Why we use barcodes? As far back as the 1960s, barcode were used in industrial work environments. Some of the early implementations of barcodes included the ability to identify rail, road, cars and etc. In the early 1970s, common barcodes started appearing on grocery shelves. To automate the process of identifying grocery items, UPC barcodes were placed on the products. Today, barcodes are just about everywhere and are used for identification in almost all types of business. When barcodes are used in the business process, produce procedures and automated to increase productivity and reduce human error. Whenever there is a need to accurately identify or track something, barcode should be used. For example, in data entry work environment, workers may be required to enter an enormous amount of data into a customer database system. Instead of manually typing a customer identification number into a database, if the information is contained in a barcode, a data entry operator may scan it in. This will be increase automation and reduce human error. Barcode types. The type of barcodes to be used for particular situation depends upon the use, the data encoded in the barcode, how to barcode will be printed. There are two types of barcodes: linear barcodes, 2D barcodes. Some established barcodes industry standards include AEAG, automotive item identification, like data matrix. Application of barcode for laboratories. BCA provides labels, printers and barcode scanners specifically for the laboratory environment. Our labels, suitable for all printers and most software packages, can withstand moisture, refrigeration and variety of solution. The advice can be also be glue free. For libraries, BCA provides consultation equipment from a variety of manufacturers and 25 years experience in the data collection market. We provide the solution to your situation, not enough the self packaged solution. Same for industry. And next, evaluation of barcode. One of the most common tool for reading barcodes is the handheld barcode scanner. All of the barcode scanners recommended and sold by ID Automation have built-in decoders that can be read several different barcode types. Most of the scanners sold by ID Automation receive their power from the PC keyboard or USB port, so no external power supply is required. When a barcode is scanned, the data is sent to the PC as if it was typed using a keyboard. Not all the scanners can be scanned barcodes that are printed at very small X dimensions, so it is advisable to check the barcode scanner manual to make sure the scanner can read small X dimension barcodes. Also, make sure the printer can accurately reproduce small X dimension barcodes. The ID Automation plug-in play barcode scanner will scan linear barcodes consistently at 4 to 30 miles in size and up to 4.2 feet in width from the distance of 4 feet to 8 feet at 200 scans per second, and can be programmed to scan function key from barcodes. These are the barcode scanners: handheld, a single line, fixed mount, multi-line. Next, advantages: represent unique identity of a product, accuracy of data input for error-free, labor savings by avoiding manual system, more accurate dispatch, cost efficient, real-time data collection, measurement of work in progress throughout the factory, rapid access to total protection cost. Next, disadvantages: system failure may cause more delays, scratched or crumpled barcodes may cause problems, data must be coded in the barcode. In laser scanning, durability and cost are the two disadvantages. And thank you all.